Okay.
Hey guys, it's me Elizabeth here and Stephanie. And today we're going to be eating what's it called again?
Enchilada. Beef enchilada.
Beef enchilada. While doing it handcuffed. So we're gonna get handcuffed.
How can you eat without whipped
We're gonna try.
Oh my goodness. You're just like the movie that I watched, that twin. Have you seen that one, Twin?
Mm-mm.
Oh, they are, what do you call it? What do you call that one? That their stomach is stick together.
Look.
We're gonna cook it against the light.
Turns out it's going so well. Might get her, but it's going pretty well.
Mm-hmm.
I can't eat.
What happened?
I can't eat.
I think you need to move. It's not spicy. Okay now.
There's pepper.
No?
Cheers. It was bad.
Choose again? Choose only once. Not all the time. Sa ganahan sa luto ko. Ihaw mig manok. Ihaw mig manok mga langga. Nya, duha ka buok ang ihaw. Nya. Akong giluto ang chicken feet. But I don't like it because they said it's spicy, but it's not spicy.
There's pepper in it.
It's fine. Careful, be careful. Where did you on your dad to eat?
No, just two. I can't eat.
Now you just eat without praying. You forget to pray. You need to pray in that way. Remember? I told you to pray always. You know how to pray. Thank you for the food. Thank you for the one who prepared the food. Who prepared the food?
No.
Lola. Thank you for...
Thank you.
You like it?
What's that?
Good.
Copy me in 31.
See, I told you. There's no onions. The onion is a powder. Kalimot na lang kung pa-pray ninyo kay sama suwa yung video eh.
But
You need to pray next time, okay? Hindi?
no. It's just a little tight.
You used to pray most of the time before, Elizabeth. And then before going to bed, remember? Because I used to be with you. Because Stephanie wants to, she wanted me to pat her all the time. And then pray. Need to pray. You drink all you.
I didn't have that much because I thought I wouldn't finish it.
But you're thirsty. You're playing outside. It's careful. Enough, that's enough. Enough.
Hey, I want to try to be equal. Let's eat.
No more.
No!
What you doing? Careful.
Now the meat, and you meat. It's fine, I won't taste that.
Kit-kit mas lula sa bukog. Kay laganan kay spicy
There's
lang.
an onion.
Not spicy. That's not onion.
Yes, it is. It's garlic.
It's not onion, eh?
Garlic.
No.
Lola,
Hmm?
could you cook the meat, but not this? Because, this,
I didn't like the,
I like the meat.
you like the meat only. So just
Without this.
eat the meat. The tortilla.
No.
You like tortilla?
Tortilla. Huh? I don't like Lola, I'm gonna try.
No more, eh?
No, the, this part.
Okay. Yeah, I put the spice kuan. I eat the pepper. I forgot.
Roll the tight. Stephanie, that's too big. Look how strong I am. Guys, this is a bone. Not a very strong one. Well, if you can break that, if you can break that, how about breaking that?
Yes. No, that's not. You can't. No. Only this one. This part here.
Ha, you can't. How about, what can you? Okay, I quit. She quits. I quit.
Okay.
Ugh, I broke it. Well, I can break this. But.
Holly.
Oh! I'm strong. Well, am I strong? Look at this! Bend the fork. But I don't have a fork. Fork. You said spoon. I said fork.
Good girl. Finish all your food. You want more? Okay. Your food na? You Holly in there.
Okay, guys. So every time I'm done with the meal, I just clap my hands. You're not done with the meal, I am. But on full.
You're full with your milk. You just, okay. Gamay rin ikaw.
So guys, I'm going to end this video, so make sure to subscribe. And make that subscribe button gray, not red. And next to the subscribe button, you're going to see a bell once you subscribe. And you're going to click that bell, press all.
So you'll be notified.
And then give me a huge thumbs up on this video. Not thumbs down.
You're going to have...
No, not thumbs down. No. Thumbs up, please. Bye.
Love you.
Love you. Bye-bye.